If you wake up with stiff joints, aching knees, or swollen fingers, stop eating toast for breakfast. I know it's quick, and I know it's easy, but that slice of white bread is like throwing gasoline on a fire inside your body. When you eat refined flour like toast, bagels, or sugary cereals, your blood sugar spikes instantly. Your body releases insulin to fight it, and that process triggers inflammation. But what if you could eat your pain away? Today, I'm giving you 3 delicious breakfasts that act like natural painkillers. Swap your toast for one of these for just 7 days and feel the difference. Let's start with breakfast number 1, the Golden Joint Bowl. This isn't just oatmeal. We are upgrading it with a spice that has been used for centuries to lower swelling, turmeric. But here is the secret most people miss. You must add a pinch of black pepper and a healthy fat like coconut oil or walnuts. Why? Because turmeric contains curcumin, which fights pain. But your body can't absorb it without pepper. The pepper boosts absorption by 2,000%. Here is the recipe. Cook half a cup of rolled oats. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and top with walnuts. It's warm, comforting, and it soothes your knees from the inside out. If you prefer something cold or don't like cooking in the morning, you need breakfast number 2, the gut-soothing cup. This is for my low-energy days. We call this overnight oats with chia. You make it the night before so breakfast is ready when you wake up. Chia seeds are tiny, but they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Think of omega-3s as the oil that lubricates your rusty hinges. Often joint pain starts in the gut. The fiber in oats and chia seeds feeds good bacteria, which lowers total body inflammation. The recipe. In a jar, mix oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and your favorite milk. Throw in some frozen berries. Put it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, just grab a spoon and enjoy. Now, for those who love a savory breakfast, number 3 is my personal favorite, the muscle protector. As we age, we lose muscle mass, which puts more pressure on our joints. We need protein to protect our bones. Swap the toast for a simple spinach scramble. Eggs provide the protein, and spinach is loaded with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. Cook your eggs in extra virgin olive oil, not butter. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that works similarly to ibuprofen for pain relief. Imagine replacing a dry bagel with a warm, fluffy spinach omelet cooked in olive oil. You stay full for hours and your joints get a break from the sugar spike. Before you go, there are 3 fake healthy foods you must avoid if you have pain. Number 1, instant oatmeal packets. They are loaded with hidden sugar. Use plain oats instead. Number 2, margarine. It is highly processed. Use real butter or olive oil. Number 3, orange juice. It's basically liquid sugar without the fiber. Eat the whole orange instead. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these breakfasts, the Golden Bowl, the Chia Cup, or the Muscle Protector. Eat it for 7 days. Once you've changed your diet, you need to flush the excess fluid out of your legs. I have a specific routine to help you do exactly that. Click this video right here to learn the 7 foods that drain swollen legs, and I'll see you there.